Kids' videos get millions of views every single day. And the crazy part? They're insanely simple to make. Even Mr. Beast said this niche is a gold mine, so I tested it. And today, I'll show you the exact system to create these videos with AI. Look at channels like Cocomelon Nursery Rhymes. They get billions of views from simple rhymes. And it's not just them. Hundreds of channels are doing this right now. Now here's the crazy part. This tool estimates their monthly earnings. And as you can see, it's huge. That's when I realized this niche is not normal. Kids don't just watch once. They watch again and again and again. More watch time, more views, more money. And now I'll show you exactly how to create these videos. Step 1. Find viral idea. First, open ChatGPT. Paste your topic finder prompt. This gives you high retention video ideas instantly. Example, my shoes ran away. This works because funny problem, easy to understand, creates curiosity. Step 2. Generate script. Now take that idea, paste it into your script prompt. It will generate a full rhyme with an emotional hook, a super catchy chorus, an action verse 1, and a happy ending. And most importantly, a loop ending, so kids keep watching again and again. Step 3. Create music. Now go to Suno AI. Log in with TempMail, paste your script, click Create, tick on Instruments, paste this instruction, click again Create. It will generate 2 full songs with background music and vocals, all automatically. Listen and choose best one, then download it. Step 4. Visual style. Now go back to ChatGPT. Paste your visual style prompt. This create ready-to-use visuals. Same characters, bright cartoon look, clean animation style. This makes your video look professional. Step 5. Create animation. Now open Google Flow. You will get 1,000 credits free. Create new project. Paste your Scene 1 prompts. Click on Video. Now you get Extend option. Use Extend feature and paste Scene 2. To keep everything consistent, generate all scenes like this. Now, Google Flow has some limits, but don't worry, I already found free AI video generators that do the same thing. But for now, let's continue with this method. Step 6. Edit video. Now open CapCut, open New Project, import all clips and audio. First, add audio in timeline, then arrange scene by scene. Then, add smooth transitions, like mix and fade. Sync music with visuals. This step makes your video look high quality. Step 7. Now, the most important part. Use this thumbnail prompt. Now you get thumbnail prompt, generate it with any image generator. This increases clicks instantly. Here's the trick. End your video where it started, so kids feel like, wait, again? And they keep watching. If you don't want to spend anything, I already made a video on free AI video generators. Check that after this. And if you want all my prompts and tools, link in description. Start now and build your first kids cartoon video today.